scroll down to Settings from the Administration section. Then click on Google Sheet. Now we will have to create a new Google Sheet, or if you have a Google Sheet ready, then you can skip this part. So just click on Create Sheet button, select your Gmail account. Now let's provide a sheet title. So I'm gonna write WhatsApp Catalog Order and save it. Now click on this button to view the Google Sheet that we just created. Over here, let's create column headers in this Google Sheet to organize WhatsApp catalog data. We will do this only once and automatically save the correct data into each column when we connect the sheet into the catalog. So I'm going to write order ID, then catalog ID, product name, buyer name, phone number, amount, order date, order address, and finally status. Now let's select all the headers. We're just gonna give a background color to the headers. So select background color. Okay, done. Now go back to e-commerce catalog from WhatsApp section and scroll down to Catalog Manager and connect the Google Sheet with it. You can also add multiple Google Sheets if you want to. Normally, I think you don't need it, but you have the options to add more if it's necessary for you. Okay, now that our Google Sheet is connected to the catalog, it's time to create a chatbot that our customer can interact with to get the catalog in the chat. So go to Bot Manager from WhatsApp section, then click on the Create button to go to the Visual Flow Builder, where we will build our chatbot. Double-click on this Start Bot Flow component. Now we have to provide a trigger keyword. So I'm going to write catalog. After that, for the title, I'm going to write WhatsApp Catalog Sheet Bot and save it. Now let's drag a text component and double-click on it. In the text input field, I'm going to write, "Hi there, welcome to the White Shop." Then drag an interactive component and double-click on it. In the text field, I'm going to write, "Check out our product catalog." Okay, then in the message body, I'm going to write, "Here you can see all our products." Finally, in the message footer, I'm going to write, "Choose here," and save. Now drag an e-commerce catalog component and double-click on it to choose your catalog and save it. Drag multiple product components and choose your products that you want to showcase. For this one, I'm going to choose men purse. Next, I'm going to choose this one. And after that, let's choose Armani suit. Let's create another product component and choose this one. If you don't have a WhatsApp catalog, you can watch our video on how to create a catalog for WhatsApp and connect it with Bot Seller. Link will be in the description. Now just organize the bot flow and open your WhatsApp and then go to the bot account and type the trigger keyword. So I'm going to write catalog. As you can see, the bot is triggered and responding. Open the catalog, add your desired products to the cart. So I'm going to choose this one and place order. Go to this link and give your email address and your order address and then proceed to checkout. Choose your payment method. So I'm going to choose. And it's done. Now our order data will be saved to our Google Sheet. So let's go there and check if it's working or not. Go back to Google Sheet page and click on the View button. Check the Google Sheet data. As you can see, all our data is saved accordingly, as expected. So in this way, now whenever your customers order something from your catalog, all their order data will be saved automatically to your Google Sheet. So until next video, see ya.